Saratoga 4187 Alpha, Spinks ground, roger. Make your next right there on Bravo taxiway. Taxi via Bravo Echo to the ramp. I got a Cessna coming across Echo. Now it's going to be taking Alpha to the south.
Tower 86 Delta Tango, got emergency, got a bird strike, got to land.
6 Delta Tango, roger. You're clear to land, runway 17 right.
Hey, you got to roll. You got to roll the trucks. We got blood everywhere.
Okay, roger. Reserve Tango X-ray, can you make Echo, sir? Roger, I appreciate that.
Tango X-ray, roger. Taxi via Echo Alpha.
Okay, turn it off on Echo Delta Tango.
If you can, sir, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, it's okay. We got control.
Number 6 Delta Tango, make your next right there, sir. You can go ahead and taxi straight into the ramp, sir. We're on the phone with emergency services right now.
Okay, straight in the ramp, yeah. We're going to need the ambulance. We got some injuries.
Okay, roger.